Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Indian-style poached eggs. This delightful dish involves gently cooking eggs directly in a rich, aromatic gravy, creating a truly unique flavor experience. We'll start by preparing our base ingredients, focusing on fresh produce and a vibrant blend of spices. This method ensures each egg is infused with the delicious essence of the curry, making for a truly satisfying meal. Now let's build the foundation of our dish, the gravy. Begin by sautéing finely chopped onions until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color, which adds a natural sweetness. Next, incorporate a spoonful of ginger garlic paste, cooking it thoroughly to release its fragrant oils. Then, add your chopped tomatoes, allowing them to soften and meld into a rich, pulpy base. Finally, stir in your chosen Indian spices, cooking them for about 30 seconds to bloom their flavors. With our aromatic gravy simmering gently, it's time for the star of the show, the eggs. Carefully create small indentations in the gravy, one for each egg you plan to poach. Gently crack each egg directly into these wells, taking care not to break the yolk. Cover the pan tightly and let them cook for approximately 5 to 7 minutes. This allows the whites to set perfectly while keeping the yolks beautifully soft and runny, just as they should be. To complete our delicious Indian-style poached eggs, a final touch of freshness is essential. Generously sprinkle a handful of freshly chopped cilantro over the entire dish. Its vibrant aroma truly elevates the flavors. Serve these delightful eggs immediately, perhaps alongside some warm parathas, fluffy rice, or even a crusty bread to soak up all that incredible gravy. This versatile and satisfying meal is perfect for any time of day, offering a wonderful blend of textures and spices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.